See that bridge down there? It's a suspension bridge made out of straw. And we're gonna walk across it. Okay, so that is straw. Just straw. And it's weaved and doubled up and tripled up and quadrupled up. And it's just straw. And that's it. And, you know, just for the heck of it, Isabel's going to go first. Well, we were almost getting ready to cross. We'll still cross. But these folks offered us a little ride for only 10 souls in this boat. So we couldn't resist. So we climbed down. Yeah, we climbed down there. To the boat.
Sacando con el puente atrás.
It's beautiful.
Ya llega. Pretty.
It is pretty. As you can see, if we happen to fall, if the bridge breaks, we have a soft landing here in the water. Okay, Isabel's holding the straw that the bridge is made out of that we're going to walk across. As you can see, they just weave it like that into like a rope, and then they take this rope that they
Something
make,
like this.
and they keep winding it around each other, and it makes something very, very strong
Thick.
and thick. And you can see it's tied around these boulders like that, and then it goes out. And Isabel's gonna go walking now. I'm gonna video her going across the bridge, and like I said earlier, we'll let her go first, you know.
So if I fell on the chest, that's very nice.
Go ahead, sweetie.
Yeah, like that.